Hello everyone, welcome back to AM Forecast. Let us go back to crude oil chart again. This is our previous update in crude oil. We have already discussed that the instrument had broken this channel and our members were requested to take sell from $38.4 approximately. Today the low is 35.5. We have got almost $4 from the selling point, and our members were insisted to book their partial profit here 35.5. Now the instrument has to break 35.5 again, and it has to sustain below 35.5 to achieve to reach more target. Here we have given that below $38 we may see minimum target of 32.6 here. So for that it has to sustain below 35.5. Because we currently have one more option in crude. For that I need to change the labeling, current labeling. This is our previous labeling 1 2 3 4 5. Now I am going to change this, like this is 4, sorry, this is 3, and this is 4, and this is 5. We have already discussed about this wave 5 failure in our previous videos about crude oil. If we consider this wave as a failure one, so the previous downtrend is completed here, so the new cycle is starting from here. So how can we take it? A, B, C, which will be W, and correction will be X. This is A, and if this is B, this is our invalidation level for this view. I repeat it again. If we consider this wave as a failure, wave 5 failure for previous downtrend, so the new cycle, we can consider the new cycle is starting from here. So A, B, C, W, and correction we can take it as X, and another A has already formed. So B, it looks like the instrument has completed its B, and it will go like this. Like this. So this is our new update. I repeat it again. If we consider this wave as a wave 5 failure in previous downtrend, so the new cycle is starting from here, A, B, C, W, and the correction could be X, and then then another A and B and C. The C wave is to happen. So if this instrument breaks this 40.5, which is our current invalidation level for our previous labeling. So if this instrument breaks this 40.5, we may see the minimum target this range 47 to 51. So this is our one more option, but the instrument has to break $38 first, and it also has to break our invalidation level 40.5 to become like this W, X and Y. So this is our overall target for our previous labeling. For that it has to break 35.5 again, and it has to sustain below the 35.5. So this is it for today about crude oil. Good luck.